Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. This is my first video, so if you like it, please remember to subscribe, like, and share. Anyways, let's jump right into it. So this is a Rubik's Cube. It has 6 sides, and each side has one color. Now these 6 different sides are made up of different pieces. There's 3 pieces in total. There's this centerpiece, right? And these centerpieces do not change, right? So white's always opposite yellow. So if you're ever looking at the cube, whenever you look at the centerpiece and this is the white side, this would be the orange side, and so on. There's also edge pieces. Edge pieces are any pieces that have 2 colors on them, right? And then there's corner pieces which have 3 colors. And now the denotation for algorithms. So when you're looking at an algorithm, U is up, right? And then U means you turn this up layer clockwise. U primed means you turn it counterclockwise, right? Similarly, right is R, so R prime. Left is L prime. D is down, D prime. And then F is front, so like what's facing you, so F and then F prime. There's also B for back and then B prime. So anyway, let's scramble this cube and then we'll solve it. Looks pretty good. So now what you want to do is you want to find the white centerpiece. So it's here and you want to put it in the top. And now what we're going to do is we're going to solve this white plus, right? So we're going to align all these edge pieces, right, first. So this is pretty intuitive. So what you do is you find a white edge piece, right? You want to match this edge piece with its corresponding center. So you want to bring this here. And then what you can do is you can bring it in the bottom layer, right? Rotate it, so now it's orange, white, and then you can just rotate it and bring it in the top. And then find another one. This is green and white, so you bring in the bottom, bring this, and notice like you have to bring this back up, else you're gonna ruin your plus, right? So what you aligned before, and then so now this is green, and then if you rotate it, it goes white, green. So another one here is red. So I'll bring in the bottom, rotate it to the red, and then bring it into the top. And that's for the last one. Here it is, it's blue, so bring it into the bottom, fix this, and bring it to the blue, and then rotate to the top. Next, what you want to do is you want to put in these corner pieces, right? So you want to find a white corner piece. Here's one that's white, blue, red. So you bring it to the lining centers. So white, blue, red, and then you just want to move it out of the way, bring this down, and put it in. Right, now you got that. So another one, here's one. It's green, red, white. Green, red, white. Right now we can't put this in because like we need the white to be here to bring it up here. So what you can do in this case is you can move this here. Right now it's back, and you can move it out of the way and put this up. Don't worry about this piece, just focus on this one. Right, and now bring it back. So green, red, white, green, red, white. And now we can just put this piece in. Right, so another one, here's one, blue, orange, white. Blue, orange, white. Put this piece in. So the last one. Here we go. It's the last piece, so it's going to go here. So let's just insert. And you've done this first layer. Now what you want to do is turn the cube upside down so you have this yellow centerpiece on top. And now it's going to be our first algorithm. So what you want to do here is find an edge piece without yellow in it. Right, so here's one, orange and blue. Bring this orange line up as centers. Then you look at, if it's on the right, you do the right algorithm here, and then if it's on the left, you do the left algorithm on the screen back there. So this is on the left, right, so it says right algorithm, goes U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, F prime, U, F, and then now you've got that piece in there. Let's find another one. this is orange. So, and now you line these up, and then this is green. So green's on the left, so let's do left algorithm. That goes U prime, L prime, U, L, U, F, U prime, F prime. Now you've got this piece is already lined up, red is here. So let's do the right algorithm. Alright, and then the final piece here is on the left, so let's do the left algorithm. Alright, and I've got this color solved. Now what you're gonna have in this here is 3 cases. Right? I just set up the cases. You don't do what I just did. So anyways, you're gonna have 3 cases. You wanna look at this yellow and the edge pieces. You're either gonna have this yellow, an L shape, or a horizontal bar. Right? You want to cross. So the algorithm is the same for all of them. If you have this dot, you want to do this algorithm. F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. Alright, and now you see you have this L. You want to hold the L in the top left corner and do the same algorithm. You have this bar. You want to hold the bar horizontally. It doesn't matter which way. Same algorithm again. And you have this white plus. Now what you want to do is you want to line these edge pieces, right? So to do that, you want to just turn the cube until 2 of the edge pieces align. So here we have 1, but not another one, so we'll keep going. And then here we go, you have 2. And now you're going to have either 2 that are across from each other or 2 that are adjacent. If you have across, you want to hold it so 1 is facing you, 1's in the back. If you have adjacent, you want to hold it so 1's in the back and 1's to your right. And then for either case, you do the same algorithm. So as you go R, U, R prime, U, R, 2U. 2U basically means you just turn up twice. And then R prime. And now, if you just turn it a bit, you see like all these are matched up. So the last thing you want to do now is you want to do this algorithm. So it goes U prime, R, U prime, L prime, U, R prime, U prime, L. Right, and you want to do this until one of the corners is solved. Right, so here we go, we have 1 solved. Now what you want to do is you want to do U, R, U prime, L prime, U, R prime, U prime, L. Right, keep doing this until one of the other corners get solved. Right, so here we go. Notice if you do like the algorithm I just showed you and you get like a completely white top, that means your case is unsolvable and you want to do the first algorithm I showed you. So anyways, that didn't happen to us. So now it's the last step. What you want to do is you want to hold an unsolved corner in the top right and do this algorithm. R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D. And you want to do it until this gets solved. Now you want to turn this top layer to another unsolved corner and do the same algorithm. R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D. And there you go, you've solved the Rubik's Cube. So if this helped you out, remember to like and subscribe and share. Thank you.